The 7-segment Cyborg Robot assignment. Part 1. The building of the breadboard. The first step is to attach a wire from pin 3 to pin 8 on the 7-segment. This is what connects your whole circuit. Next, connect a resistor from pin 8 to VCC. To test your 7-segment, connect a wire to ground and then connect the other side with various pins and record all obtained information on responding pins and letters. You will need this information later on. Put in the push buttons equally spaced apart. Leave space between the 7-segment and the push buttons for the decoder. Attach LEDs to one side of the button, making sure to connect the positive side of the LED to the push button, not the flat side. Connect small wires on the opposite side of the buttons to VCC. Connect resistors to the LEDs that were previously connected to ground them. Press the buttons to make sure everything works as it should. Connect wires from the push buttons underneath the LED to the decoder. Connect the decoder to ground and VCC. Connect wires from the 7-segment to the decoder. Add a voltage regulator to regulate the voltage of the circuit. Connect the left and right legs of the meter to VCC and the middle leg to ground. The circuit should now work properly. 2. The PCB. The first step is to extend all LEDs and push buttons. It is helpful if you color code your LEDs and the corresponding push button. This helps you organize. Next, place everything into the PCB using dips for the 7-segment and decoder. The video shows a long wire being attached to everything that needs to be connected to VCC. Referring to the picture, the same was done for ground. Before you begin soldering, you're going to need needle nose pliers for heat sinking, a damp paper towel, some solder, a soldering iron, and a soldering stand. When soldering the LEDs, you will need to heat sink. Paper mache. The first step to this is to make the paper mache paste, which is done by mixing water, flour, and some glue. Mix thoroughly with an egg beater to ensure that no lumps remain in the mixture after you're done mixing it. Next, rip newspapers into long strips and dip them into the paste. Get rid of any excess paste and smooth the strip down on the balloon. Paint the mask accordingly. Part 4. The controller. To make the controller, cut out the shapes you will be needing to shape the box and the lid. Glue gun everything together and your final product should be a lid and a box. Paint the box yellow with orange polka dots to represent cheddar cheese with holes. Poke holes on either side of the box to make the LED and buttons go through them. Put any final touches and then you're ready to go.